Hello. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to prevent surveillance and espionage in Windows 10, and how to disable surveillance and telemetry for your safety. And so, we begin. Click the Start button, Setting, and open the tab, Privacy. If you did not disable these settings during the installation of Windows 10, then they can be disabled on the tab, General. I will turn off all settings, but each of you can leave access to applications for your work on the computer. Now the tab, Location. Here we turn off the function of determining our location. We go to the item camera, and turn off this setting. After all, we do not need applications that can turn on the camera without our knowledge. Here I must say that classic applications downloaded from the internet, such as Skype, will still be able to access the camera of your computer, but only by your permission. You can look in more detail on a site of Microsoft. We also completely disable access to the microphone. Here you can only allow access to certain applications of your choice. This way you can better control your privacy. Now we turn off access to notifications. Next, disable application access to your account information. Disable access to contacts. We block applications from accessing your calendar. Now the call log. Further, we prohibit all applications from reading and sending your email. Make settings for your convenience, but not for Microsoft. You can also disable access to tasks. We include a ban on reading and sending SMS and MMS. Access to the radio is better controlled manually for specific applications, so turn it off. Similarly, we prohibit uncontrolled use of other unconnected wireless devices. Next, turn off the ability of applications to run in the background. I must say that disabling these settings will increase the performance of the computer. In the Diagnostics section, we disable access to the diagnostic data of all applications on your computer. And the last one, disabling utilities that monitor user actions. Open File Explorer. Right-click this computer and select Manage. In the window that opens, click System Tools, Task Scheduler, Task Scheduler Library, Microsoft, Windows. Next, click Application Experience. Here we right-click and select End. Disable. And again. End. Disable. End. Disable. Now click on Dock. Here we also right-click and select End. Disable. Now click Customer Experience Improvement Program. Here, we also right-click and select End. Disable. And here too, End. Disable. So, we have finished the process of basic privacy settings. On this, I say goodbye to you. Thank you all for your attention to my video. Good luck.